over in Arizona. Here we go, pilots. Arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Pretty good start here for most of our field as they get underway. Watching your leader, Boomerang FPV, at that Stitch It Up section on about the 47-yard line. Just killing it right now. Meanwhile, we got a battle for the 2-3-4 between Crete 6, Trash Panda, and Ginger Kid 14. Here comes Boomerang. Representing the University of Louisville. 42-7 for Boomerang FPV. On to lap number 2. He had some bad luck in the first round. One of the pilots that we're bragging on. And right now, the pace that he's on looks to break the top 5. Trash Panda with a 59.6 opening lap. We're just past the midway point, about 50 seconds still to go, 5-0. Crete 6 with a 65.8. Ginger Kid 14 with a 68.7. And now on to lap 3, we go with Boomerang FPV with a 31.6. So that tells us when he crossed over, as long as he has a sub 45-second lap time, which both of his previous laps were, he's on pace to do 4 laps in the session. And so far, we've only got 3 pilots that have done 4 laps or more. Boomerang FPV definitely getting himself into the top 16 if he's able to finish this run. Bouncing off a flag on the far side, but again, lots of time to get across our start-finish line. 15 seconds to go to get onto this next lap. Boom, on to lap 4 we go with Boomerang. And I don't know if that was a mid-air because Trash Panda and Boomerang going down at the exact same time. Boomerang getting back up. And so he is up on lap number 4. There's the ding, which means we're now going to shut down Trash Panda as he does a huge split S. How did he pull that off in here? 2 laps and 2:05 for Trash Panda. That's going to help Trash Panda move up into our next 32 division. Puts him about 13th. The one to finish. He will become our 4th pilot to do 4 laps or more, sliding into the number 4 spot. 4 laps in 2:29 for Boomerang FPV.